It's time for the dbest Stair Climber Trolley Dolly with skate wheels. I'm talking inline skate wheels. Look at these fabulous color options that you get to choose from. Also, we've got future dusk, black, blue floral, sage tile, dusty rose, and now you have a fabulous 6-wheel design that glides up and down stairs with ease. This is going to change the way you don't just do your grocery shopping. You're going to be moving a lot more than that. Nancy Boda is here to tell us all about it. How are you doing, Nancy? Good to see you. Welcome back.
Good to see you. Thank you.
We love this.
Everyone loves this. There is a reason that the trolley dolly has been around and so popular for years and years, but this time it is all brand new. It is totally different, and now it comes with inline skate wheels. What that means to you is it is going to glide better. It is going to go up those stairs better. Not only that, take a look right here. It is also a backpack. Look at this.
Look at
so
you.
You've got your dolly, you've got your trolley, and you can wear it as a backpack. So it is amazing. Let's face it, we all have something that we have to move. Well, with the trolley dolly, you can move it. You can go up the stairs, you can go down the stairs.
Oh, check this out.
Nothing is going to be impossible for you, because at every moment, you always will have 4 wheels on the ground, and that's why it is the Stair Climber Trolley Dolly.
Isn't that so? So this isn't like dragging your 2-wheeler up the stair. It's totally different. See how the wheels rotate around.
Yeah, isn't that great?
Yeah.
How easy is this?
Gentle going down too.
You know, and it's not like anything that you see out there. I know a lot of us see them. You might see them at the dollar store, like a different type of cart. It is not the same. The trolley dolly is the original. Richard Alden started this company in 1998. There have been over 10 million trolley dollies sold since then. 10 million, because they are amazing, they work, and now, today, we have the upgraded, revised version that now is a 3-in-1 with a 110-pound capacity, with this amazing 600D polyester bag that is weather resistant, that is easy to clean, that is easy to carry. And look at that. Look at how small your trolley, your dolly, is going to actually fold up. It's crazy.
If you're an apartment dweller, condo dweller, you absolutely know the value of something like this. It's better than the one you may be using right now. And for all around the home, it's not just about groceries either. 7 pockets and compartments to carry all sorts of things. You'll be taking this to the soccer field or the baseball diamond or any of the sporting events, maybe even the beach for all I know, at the special offer that we have for everybody while it is here at tsc.ca. The item number is 120856. It's the Trolley Dolly.